In this lecture, we are going to introduce you to the interface of Ansys Workbench. So, Ansys Workbench is nothing but a convenient way of managing different simulation projects or CAE project. There are lots of analysis that you can perform using Ansys Workbench. As I told you, it is just a project management interface and it is also helpful for launching different software components for performing different sorts of simulations. See, here on the left side, you will able to see different toolboxes. There are 5 toolboxes. First one is analysis system toolbox. Second one is a component system toolbox. Third one, custom system. Fourth one, design exploration. And fifth one is external connection system, in which we are going to mostly use the analysis system toolbox and component system toolbox. Now, I am going to expand the analysis system, where you will find these modules that are present inside analysis system. They are nothing but ready-made templates that includes different applications for performing a common type of analysis such as structural analysis, thermal analysis, model analysis, and other sorts of analysis. For performing analysis, we are going to perform 3 steps. They are pre-processing, where we are going to create the geometry and materials. We are also going to mesh and apply the boundary conditions as well as loads. And then we are going to solve the problem. And once we solve the problem, we need to understand or analyze the results. What I need to do is, I need to select what type of analysis I am going to perform. Let us say I am going to perform static analysis. So I am going to select the static analysis or static structural analysis system, and I can just drag it, and if I drag it on the project schematic, green color box appears and place this particular system onto this green color highlighted area or within the green color box. So what happens, dragging the analysis system onto the project desktop will give you a workflow or will give you a template of the steps that are present in performing a static analysis. So see here, the workflow starts from this particular first step and it is going to go all the way down towards the result step. So the workflow is from the top to bottom, and as each stage is going to completed, the icon that is present here will be turning into the green color check marker. Now drag the another type of analysis, that is model analysis. Like this, you can drag any type of analysis which you want to perform. Now right click on the workflow and delete it. Now delete this workflow. Now coming to the component system. Component systems are nothing but they are individual building blocks which combine to make the analysis system. If you want to perform static structural analysis, go to this component system. Just take the individual component of engineering data. Then take the individual component of geometry. Then I am going to take the individual component of the mechanical model, and now join these two by just dragging and place this here. So this is how you can create an alternative workflow from component system. If you removed any tab by mistake, then you need to reset your desktop. So just go to the view and select reset workspace. So resetting workspace means it is going to reset everything to default. Now we are going to see how we can access the units option inside Ansys Workbench. Go to units, and here you are going to get access to all the units that are present by default. Now go to unit system, and there are different columns. So the first column is nothing but representing the unit system name. See here in this B column. If I select this particular option, what happens, this particular unit system will be active in my present project. If I close the project and I open a new project, then this particular system will be reset to the whatever default system that we have selected. So in order to select the default system, you need to come to the C column. Just select this one. So once I select this, what happen is, how many number of times I open a new project, by default the C column selected unit system will be our default unit system. So this was a basic intro of Ansys Workbench interface.